Welcome to this Excel tutorial, where we'll explore an insightful technique for enhancing your bar charts. Today, we'll learn how to set different colors to clearly distinguish between positive and negative numbers, adding a visual dimension to your data representation. Assuming that you have both positive numbers and negative numbers exist in one table, some bars are displayed above zero horizontal axis, and others are below this axis. They are displayed in same colors by default. If we want to set one color for positive number, and another color for negative number to make bar chart looks neatly, we can through fill function in Excel to implement this. Follow these steps to set different colors for positive and negative numbers in your Excel bar chart. Start by creating your bar chart with the data you want to visualize. You can see that there is only one color for all bars. Select any bar. All other bars are activated at the same time. Then right-click to load menu. Click Format Data Series. In Format Data Series pane, click Fill and Line icon, then under Fill, check on Solid Fill and Invert if negative. Then in Color field, select Blue in Fill Color drop-down list and Red in Inverted Fill Color. After above settings, you can find that all positive numbers are filled with blue, and negative numbers are filled with red properly. Thanks for watching. By incorporating different colors to distinguish positive and negative numbers in your bar charts, you elevate the visual impact of your data representation. Subscribe for more insightful Excel tips, and stay tuned for additional tutorials to enhance your data visualization skills.